Hello my dear students of class first year. As you know that in the previous lecture we we comprehended the lesson Pakistan Zindabad. Today we are going to learn its exercise, okay, and we will also try to understand or solve the exercise. So now you must pay concern it. If you are not able to understand any points, you can also reach me and ask me about it. Okay. So in previous lecture, we also solved the questions and answers. Now in today's lecture, we also solve another exercise. Now accuse and blame. So accuse and blames are two same words but take different propositions. For suppose accuse take of proposition and blame for proposition. Okay, like the matron accused the nurse of neglecting her patients. So in this sentence, accuse take of proposition. The matron blamed. We can also use blame, but blame, as I told you, that take a different proposition. For blame, use for. The matron blamed the nurse for neglecting her patient. Okay, so in other word, blame is also used. Blame is used for other way to blame something on somebody. To blame something on somebody. Okay, there will be use on. Whenever there is a blame something on somebody, for suppose the police blame the accident. Accident is something on driver of the lorry. Driver is a person. Okay, so when there is a blame something on somebody, okay, blame is used and something and on somebody. Okay, blame is also used as a noun. The insurance company laid the blame for the fire. Okay, this same. So is I also use there. A person blame the thief on him. Okay, so now a person blame the thief. Thief is a thing and on him, on is a person. So in this condition, when is something on somebody, there will be use of on. And as in a earlier example, the blame take is for. Okay, this is a accuse and blame, it's the same meaning but take different proposition according to the practice here. Now another word, offered and offer. Offered means have sufficient time or money. Offer means to offer, to provide. Okay, here offered in sense of have enough time and money, etc. for etc. for is generally used with can or could. Okay, offered की क्या मीनिंग है कि मतलब वो sufficient money और time and it is can be used with can and could. Can and could के साथ use होता है. And it take direct object. For suppose I can not afford a new car. It means I have not sufficient money to buy a car. For suppose I cannot afford you to hang out. Okay, it means I haven't sufficient time to go with you out. So this is the use of offer. Offer take both direct and indirect object. It can take direct in both direct and indirect object. For suppose I offered him 500 pounds for his old car. Both offered and offer may be used in different time. Hurry up, we cannot afford to waste time. A friend is offered to take me to events in his car. So these are the offered and offered. Offered means to take sufficient time and money, and offer means to provide. Offered also give a sense of provide, in sense of, for suppose the Eiffel Tower offered, it means provide a good view of Paris. A big body offered it means to provide, okay, to provide good view of Paris. A big body offered, it means give us an opportunity of getting to know people. So you must understand the accuse and blame is same meaning but take different propositions. Now offered and offer means sufficient money or sufficient time. Offer means to offer or to give. So here is another verbs take propositions also. Above and below is over. Below is a sense of under. These are the propositions. As they are used in vertical and horizontal sense. For suppose the sun rose above the horizon. Okay. The sun rose above the horizon. The sun went down below the horizon. There is a shell above or over the sink. So here above is are in a bracket over. I already told you above, okay, in a sense of over, and below in a sense of under. Your homework is above or below, means average sense of say. Your homework is above or below the average. Shall I write my name above on or below the line? So these are the above. For suppose the population of London is above or over 8 million in a number. Okay. There are no dresses in this shop below or under 5 pounds. Okay. Below. In a price sense. In a sense of adverb. It was a sense of propositions. Now it is used as a sense of adverbs. So you are already familiar to propositions and adverbs. Above and below used to refer early and later in book. It is getting stormy. We had better to go below. Go below, it means to under. There's in ship. Above and below may follow the proposition. Okay. See from above, the fields make a pattern. So because this is also used as proposition and adverb as well. So now the articles. There are two articles, definite and indefinite articles. There is a definitely definite article that is used for particular, okay, things or objects, and indefinite articles and is indefinite articles that is used with a singular noun. Okay. For suppose I use there and an. I am a teacher, so I is teacher. And for suppose there is an important, it is used also a vowel sound and consonant sound. Okay. For suppose what are vowels? Later date give a sound a, e, I, o, u. These are the vowel. Later date give us a sound. Okay. And consonants letters, the rest of this alphabet, English alphabet, or the consonant letters, and they give us even the consonant letter give us the vowel sound. Okay, then we use their or n according to the sound. Vowel sound there will be n, and if there is a consonant sound there will be okay. So now definite article. Here I give a few points with the definite article uses. Now I tell you definite article uses with objects that are universal truths, holy books, okay, mountains, rivers, even superlative degrees, police, army, definite article used with them, these words, nouns, fire brigade, right or left or bottom, top, these also used with, for suppose, on the left, on the right. The same, we use the definite article with same, with musical instruments, objects, we use radio, cinema, we also use the article, bank, okay, post office, doctor as well as used with article, dentist, station, we use the definite article with station unless there's a no, unless if there is a name of the station we don't use the article definite. Airport use there, the city center we use the article there, with the name of the hotel, if there is a name of the hotel we use their article, for suppose the southeast or the west. So in this book I already told you that the here the first example, supply the where necessary means definite article. For me, holidays is superlative degree. Definitely we use the article with superlative degree. So there the subject is okay. So keep consistent here. We don't use the article with subject. So there will be no article. History no, and geography no. Subjects we don't use articles. The easiest is superlative degree. Definitely we use there the. Okay, my dear students, do you know Dr. Smith? Keep in mind, whenever we use the name in first time or we use the same name, we use their article. For the Dr. Smith is used as a first time, we don't use article, definite article here. Do you know Dr. Smith? No. The only Smith, this is a particularization, the only Smith I know is not a doctor. Here sun, this is a universal objects, we use there definitely the sun, went down below the horizon. Do their children go to school? So what is school? There's a lot of schools. This is a, we don't use the article. The eldest, definitely this is a superlative, does. The others are still too young. School, he blanks school he goes to is near a school. School means this is a particular, the school he goes to is near hospital. What hospital? We don't use there. Doctor has already told you, the doctor has just told me I ought to go to hospital. English is a language, we don't use the English language with article. But miss people, whenever there the word or noun refer to people, we use their particular as a sense of particular. The English, it means the people of English are not supposed to be good at languages, but Mr. Hill speak now, because we use their article, because it's a particularization. He'll speak the French and the Portuguese very well. So because this is a important whenever there is a particular things or object. England is only a part of England is a country, we don't use article, definite article. United Kingdom, okay, so we use their article with United Kingdom or the USA, United States of America. So kingdom, the other parts are Scotland, definitely lane, country we use their article, and other parts of Scotland and the Wales and the Northern Islands we use their article. I think